we prepare suman, sticky rice. In Philippines, it's suman. Just the ingredients are, of course, the sticky rice and the luminous sticky rice and coconut milk with sugar and small pinch of salt. Then just cook it like this. Put in the leaves of banana. Then later we will make balot-balot. This banana leaves, just remove the stain, white stain. Excuse me. Then remove the stain. Remove the wet. This one, the white one, just remove through basahan. Anong basahan sa English? I don't know. Yan. Later, ayan po, oh. Pinapatong namin sa plato in the plates so that the leaves are so clean. This is what the finished product that the two baby girls clean through clean cloth. Ayan ang paggawa ng ng suman. Yan. Yan ang suman ng Pilipinas. Yan ang suman ng Cavite. May dalawang bata na nagpupunas doon. Ayan na sila. Huwag natin ipakita kasi bawal. Yan, sarap. This is sticky rice. Ito na nagagawa. O, diba? Kalahati lang. Hindi ko alam kung 30 na ba to? 30 pieces? I don't know if it's 30 pieces or 50. I don't think so. That's how to make suman. Just roll the sticky rice on the banana leaves. Then, roll it again to make it perfect. Then, see? It's perfect na. Then, roll it on. Then, like that, oh. See? So simple. And that is... Ay, natatakpan pala. Ay, hindi pala. And that is... Yan, oh, diba? So, tomorrow or tonight, we will eat the suman. And dalawa sila nagbibilot, no? Bibilot ba yan? Just to roll in, roll out. Then close it, close in, close out. Close lang pala in. And then ito pa yung mga natatapos, oh, diba? Ito na ang finished product. Pero lulutuin pa. Just put water, then simmer for I think 3 hours. But it's good if it's in firewood. But we will use gasol. Yan, oh. Diba? Ito yung finished product ng suman. Oh, let's eat with suman and coffee in the morning. August 30. Thank you for watching. Ganito yun eh. Oh, diba? Ay, suman.